Okay, so last class, I told you levels of organization. I told you about PCE. Rishan, can you say me what was P, what was C and E? I know you can screen also. What was P and what is C and what is E? P for
P is
population, yes.
E is communities.
Yes. How about E?
E is
E is
ecosystem.
ecosystem. Okay. Now, Vishan, can you just briefly tell me what did I say? What's a population? What is a community? And what is ecosystem?
What I say? What's population?
Yes.
A population is a
Don't read it.
group of
Explain me. Don't read it. That it's a group of individual. No, no, no. Explain me. What did I say? Like, give me an example of an animal and say me.
a monkey.
Okay, monkey. So if I need to know the population of monkey, what I am doing?
You need like if they have the same face and like this.
Not same face. I will see that they are how many in number in an area. Same species that live in the same place. I will only count monkeys. I will not count zebra. I will not count other animals. I will count and say there are the population of monkey in this jungle maybe is 25, like that. We need to know the same kind of species in same place. But when I say community, yes, who will tell me community? Do I only count monkeys for community?
Can't hear you. No. Every other pet, but in the sea.
Okay. Population, I need to count only one kind of species in one area. How about communities? My dear girls, still my voice is not clear?
A little bit not clear.
When I speak about communities, that means you can include different kind of animals. Lion, zebra, you know, some kind of birds, cat, rabbit, all in one area together. Still not? Okay. Let me check. What can I do here? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we
Hi.
can well.
Okay. So I was saying about ecosystem. Ecosystem, I said it will have both biotic factor and the abiotic factor. It will include the animals with the environment, with the abiotic factors like what? Like trees, like pond or beaches, air, oxygen. It includes both living organisms and non-living organisms. Both. Okay? Now next year, I said I will start with biomes today. What is the meaning of biome? Okay. Who's gonna read this? Majdulin, please read this for me. What is a biome?
Miss Jane, she left.
She left. This girl, she comes only. Even Noor left.
Miss Majduline Miss Majdeline and Majdeline and
Noor.
they left.
They did not join to my science class. They're here, right?
They went.
Okay. Okay, Dana, you can read it. What is a biome?
Yes. What is a biome? Each ecosystem has its own unique biotic and abiotic factors. Some ecosystems have few plants and are cold and dry. Others have
ماما
forests
ماما
and
أنا عايز أسوي بلابتوب بابا. أنا أحتاج اللابتوب عشان أكتب
wide
ستوري.
diversity
أخذ وقت طويل.
of ecosystem.
Others
Can
have
be-
forests and are hot and moist. Girls, when we are explaining different kind of ecosystems,
أنا أشغل يوتيوب.
you know, there are some ecosystems which are
ليش حتحطي؟
dry. There are some ecosystems.
Judy, do mute.
Judy,
I will do it. I will do it. Was Judy muted? So some are dry, some are hot, some are moist. We have different name. We have different categories. Like we say rainforest, or we say dry forest, or we say this is cold and dry forest. Like we have different categories, different names given to that according to the climate and communities. When you see climate and communities together, it becomes biome. I taught you community, right? When community combine with their climate, in which condition are they living? Like example, if I say polar bear, in which climate do they stay? Polar bear. In which climate do they prefer to stay? Hello?
yes, miss, I'm with you.
Daisy Shan, polar bear. Where does it like to stay? In sunlight or somewhere very cold with ice?
But very cold with ice.
Yes. So like that, every community, they have their own climatic conditions. Those are called as biomes. A biome can contain many ecosystems. Like example, it doesn't mean one country is one biome. No. The whole Sahara Desert have many countries there. Sahara Desert, or the North, you know, the North Pole when you go, the Antarctica, all those covered with snow. That is one biome. Like it doesn't mean that only one area will have one biome. No, it can include much. So a biome can contain many ecosystems. Now, what are the major land biomes? Listen to me carefully, girls. This is very important, or you can highlight. What are the major biomes? These are the major biomes. Tropical rainforest, tropical grassland, temperature grassland, desert, and temperature deciduous forest. Temperature rainforest, taiga, and tundra. Girls, many with T. Tropical rainforest. There are two tropical rainforests, tropical grassland. We have temperature grassland, we have temperature rainforest. You can remember, girls, we have two things, tropical and temperature. Tropical rainforest, temperature rainforest. Tropical grassland, temperature grassland. Then we have desert, we have taiga, and we have tundra. You must memorize them, girls. Tomorrow when I'm coming to my class, you must know that we have so many T. Tropical RF, TRF, rainforest. Tropical
Tropical rainforest.
land, TG, tropical. Now, temperature like TM, temperature rainforest. Temperature grassland. Tropical rainforest, tropical grassland. Temperature rainforest, temperature grassland. I have desert. I have tundra, and then taiga, okay, or taiga and tundra. You must know this before you come to my class tomorrow. What are the major land biomes? TRF, tropical rainforest, tropical grassland, temperature rainforest, temperature grassland, desert, tundra, and taiga. Okay? Okay, girls?
Okay.
Now, what are the characteristics of
Biome. Define a biome.
what are the characteristics of different biomes? Please just highlight this what is given here. Underline. Temperature is an important climate factor. When you see
Can I read?
names taiga, tundra, you must imagine only ice. Taiga and tundra have very, very cold temperatures all the year. All year it is very cold. Of course, north and south poles you can say. All year they don't have seasons. They are always cold. And when I say these tropical means they are always hot. No. Yes. Usually they have, they have all year it's warm, not even very hot, I cannot say, warm, okay. Sometimes very hot and sometimes warm, but doesn't have cold season. And then temperature have warm summers and cold winters, both. When it is summer, it is warm. When it is winter, it is cold. Deserts are hot during day and cold at night. I will continue tomorrow, girls. I have ended up my class now. I'll continue tomorrow, okay? Thank you, girls. Tomorrow we will continue with this.